Don't you think confidence play a big role in our life? When I say confidence, I mean our belief system that yes, I can do this. So what if nobody is able to do this? But there was some time in my life when I was struggling each and every day because of this confidence or belief system. Then something happened and my life almost changed 180-degree. But what was that? I want to share that with you. I remember I was in class 5th and everything was running fine and fantastic in my life. I never realized that I'm a weak student in my class because all the students in my class was similar to me, similar like me, and I was studying on a school which is very near to my home, and that was a small school actually. Not too so many students were there on that school. That about 50 to 80 students used to study on that school only, and that's the reasons I have never realized that I'm a weak student. But because that school was only up to class 5th, and after clearing class 5th I have to went to another school for my higher studies. Then I took admission on one of the good school of my area, and I went to that school. When I went that school, I started realizing that I am a very weak student because all the students who were studying on that class was far superior than me. That day, first time I realized that actually I am a weak student. From that day, I remember my confidence level start decreasing each and every day. I I was struggling to get even passing marks on my subjects. And what happened on the result day? I failed. I failed in three subjects, and I had to appear on the supplementary exams. And because of some issues, I was not able to appear on that exam also. And result came in such a way that I had to repeat my class 6. Now my parents have decided that I'll go to the same school and I will repeat my class. I'll study class 6 once again, and that was the very shameful moment for me because all my friends went to the higher classes and I have to study on the same class. Everything was new for me, new people, and every new atmosphere. Everything was new. That day, that moment, I still remember. It was a very shameful moment for me, and if I imagine that day now, I can feel the pain which I used to experience in that time. I don't even have a confidence that I can do something in my life. And I remember something happened after a few months, and that changed everything in my life. That was a science lecture going on. We had to study about water, its properties, and everything. And suddenly, teacher asked, "What is the formula of water?" She asked to the whole class, and because there were some students who already had the idea that what is the formula of water, they just raised their hand and give the answer. Then teacher asked, "Okay, tell me, who will give the answer of this question? What is the chemical formula of ice?" And nobody knew the answer of this. Whole class went on silent. Nobody raised their hand. Teacher asked different students that you tell me if you know, and nobody remember the answer of that questions because I was studying class 6 once again, so I had the idea, and I knew the answer of this question. Maybe why, I also don't know why I remember the answer of this question, because I was very weak student. I never studied anything, I never focused on my studies. Still I knew the answer of this question. That was, I think, coincidence, and that moment changed my life. Maybe that was the reasons why I knew the answer of this question. And then I knew the answer of that question, but still I, because of my very low confidence level, I was not in a position to raise my hand that yes teacher, I know the answer. And after asking 5 to 6 students, teacher suddenly raised her finger toward me and asked me that yes, you tell me what is the formula of ice. And in a very low voice I said, ma'am, it's H2O. And that day the teacher asked the whole class to clap for me, because I knew the answer, but still I didn't raise my hand. Teacher supported me, teacher wanted to give me confidence, and because of this moment I realized something, that it's not about what we knew or what we don't know. It's all about our confidence level. All the students who are sitting here in this class are topper or super than me, because they are doing hard work. They have already studied everything before coming to the class. Before teacher initiates any new chapter, they already, a day before, they already study that thing in their home. That's the reason they can answer the question. And these small tricks I understand and I started doing in my life each and every day. Because of this, my confidence level start boosting, and this moment changed my life. I started getting good marks in my class, and when I went to class 7th, suddenly I noticed myself that my marks suddenly changed their level. I mean, in the class 6th I got around 60 to 70%. Then when I went to class 7th, my percentage went to 70 to 80%. And in this way, in class 12th, I became a head boy of my school. Not because of my academic score, because of my overall skills, overall talents. I was good in sports, I was good in athletics, I was good enough in my studies also. So that was the reasons I became head boy of my school, and that was the shocking thing for most of the students in that school. So this was my story on this, and I wanted to share with all of you. And what's your opinion on this? Do share on the comment box. This was Kunal signing out. Until I meet you once again in the next video.